learn from this flight test, and you're doing the same as well, Mike.
Absolutely. Luck favors the prepared, and we all try to be as ready as we can for our missions and take advantage of all the opportunities that are out there. And that's why it's really cool to get a chance to share some of this excitement and some of what we learned with our friends today out on in TV land. Or streaming land, or whatever we're supposed to call it these days. You're watching NASA TV.
Look at that plug. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. All right, so I do want to mention.
Five. Can you confirm our new avionics key card installed, and old one has been put back in the PLT bag. That copies.
Yeah, cue cards are pieces of paper or cardboard that we use.
PLT, confirm you can reach the following items. Crew reach-aid.
Those are the reach checks, right?
Check.
Yes.
Knee disconnect.
You can see Sunny moving her hands where she needs to double check that she can get there. And it also helps her recent memory.
5-point harness disconnect. Check. COM cable disconnect.
We have Mike over here following along with the movements.
Check.
Because this will be you.
Umbilical disconnect. Check. Divert valve, flow to phase.
We have the ability to divert the flow into the
full
suit.
counterclockwise.
And that's a dual suit controller. It pressurizes and depressurizes the suit in case of emergency.
Check. Your A checklist.
Ascent and entry checklist. It's a piece of paper that we use to make sure all the procedures are accomplished on the way up and down.
PLT, report on Aeroground 1 that we are ready to perform sucrose leak check.
Yeah, back to the gross leak check.
Houston, PLT is ready to form the suit gross leak check.
Houston copies, we're ready. Suit gross leak check on the PLT.
And so what I want to mention, after all of this, look out like in the bottom left corner of your screen, because that's generally where...
Good airflow?
Good airflow.
All right, let's perform sucrose leak check. Push and hold DSC.
The dual suit controller, you can push it in and the suit will inflate, and we're just determining if the suit inflates fast enough so that there's no leaks.
And it's holding the correct pressure needed.
Absolutely.
So as I was saying, that pad team member that we're seeing on the left-hand side of your screen, after these checks are done, you're going to see him remove this.